So this is what is the evolution of advertising from where the advertisement has started and what are the different forms of advertisements. Slowly, as we grown, as the advertisement has the growth in the market, what were the different stages that advertisements has gone through? Okay, just like man stone age से हम लोग अभी इतने digital age में आ गए, isn't it? So in the same manner, advertisement has also come from each and every stage with the man and has the growth in the market. So as man has developed, as the economy has developed, as the technology has developed, advertisements also has developed. So slowly we will see what are the different stages. First is your early form advertisements. Okay, this means when there was no print media, no broadcasting media, no digital media, nothing, कुछ भी नहीं था, तब हम कैसे एडवर्टाइज करते थे? Okay, this period is also called as pre-printing period. Okay, because there was no printing source. So people in this period used to advertise through trademarks. Okay, now what is this trademarks? They used to draw some mark with the help of the stone carving ज़्यादा चलता था उस time पे. And that symbols, that marks helps the other villagers to know what the particular advertiser or what a particular product is available and what they want to advertise. For example, dairy products, they used to give the symbol of cow so that the people across the village can see that symbol and purchase that product. ठीक है, so pre-printing era में सबसे पहले क्या करते थे हम? We were using the trademarks. Second is town criers. Now, the people or the advertisers or the zamindars, है ना, उस time पे ये चलता था, zamindars or the kings, they used to take the help of town criers. Now, who is this town criers? Town crier is a person who used to visit village to village and spread the information or promote some brand or give some knowledge to the villagers. They used to wear some clowny clothes. ठीक है, just like jokers. Jokers कैसे हैं? Clowny clothes wear करते so that they are identified even in the crowd. In the same manner, these town criers used to wear some clowny clothes, some attractive clothes, so that the villagers should come to them, and then they used to give or pass the information. Okay, या फिर कोई village fair आने वाला है या village bazaar आने वाला है, so for that information also these town criers used to go to the different villages and they used to spread the information. Next is your signboards. We have seen so many signboards, even today we are seeing it. So this signboards again gives the direction and helps the audience to see that what is the product that is available or what I can see ahead. Just for example, here I have given the plus sign of doctor. So that plus sign easily help us to know that either the medical or the hospital or any medical facility is available ahead. Your arrow marks, these all help us to know that which all are the facilities that are available ahead for me. So this is what is your pre-printing era. That means before printing, when we were not having any printing facilities, when we were not having any magazines, nothing of such like this, at that time people were using these tools to advertise. Okay, so first is your trademarks, then town criers, then signboards. Understood till here? Okay. Okay. So this was the first phase. History ऐसे start हुई advertisement की. Then in second stage, birth of printing press. Birth of printing press means printing press जब आया society में. Okay. So birth of printing press. So Johannes Gutenberg has invented the movable printing press. Okay, who invented this? You will have to keep in mind, my dear students, this name. So note down these names. Johannes Gutenberg, he has invented the printing press, and that printing press was movable. That it can be shifted from one place to another place. Okay. Then we started print advertisement. After the invention of printing press, we started print advertisement. So first form was your handbill. The first printing of advertisement that has taken place was your handbill. Okay. And that handbill was first printed for the religious book. One religious book in London by William Catton. He has printed first book. Okay. And that religious book was advertised later on. Then after that, we came out with the newspaper. So that Gutenberg's invention has made possible to print the newspapers. So first newspaper was published in Boston. Okay, that was published monthly. ये भी हम में से कितनों को नहीं पता होता है. When first newspaper started printing, that was monthly newspaper. एक मंथ में एक ही बार प्रिंट होता था और एक ही बार पब्लिश होता था. Slowly, when people started making more printing press, then this newspaper in England started with weekly publishers. Okay, weekly publication. Okay, so after that, first monthly newspapers, then they started with weekly newspaper in England, and after that, daily newspapers. So the first newspaper which was published in India was Bengal Gazette in Kolkata. Okay, the first newspaper which was published in India was Bengal Gazette. So in this way, the newspaper printing get started. Okay. After that, we came out with the magazine. After newspaper, we came out with the magazines. The first magazine was published in 1700. Okay. Magazines has gained the market better than the newspapers. Okay. Magazine ka jo market tha, the market share of magazines has gained better than the newspapers. Because what happens, magazine is just like a book. And that magazine was also on monthly basis. but it took the people to read whole month, isn't it? So magazine का market ज़्यादा अच्छा होने लगा newspapers से. Then they come out with the daily newspapers. So first was pre-printing era. Second is printing era. That means when printing press was invented. Next is birth of ad agency. Okay. So the first ad agency that came out was in the year 1786. And JWT, the oldest ad agency existing even today, was the first ad agency to place an ad. Okay. And here you can see Volney Palmer was the first person to advertise in the ad agency. Agencies that time worked on the basis of commission. Okay, slowly, many of agencies, many of the competitor of ad agency has come and people started working on it. Today, we have so many ad agencies, we have so many production firms, companies nowadays establishing their own ad agency to reduce the cost. But this is the period of 1700 where things were not so possible and not so developed. Okay, so first pre-printing era, then printing era, then birth of ad agency. Okay, so slowly एक step और आगे गए हम and we move on for the broadcasting. Radio advertisement comes under broadcasting media. So we were on air. On air means we are not flying. Our voice was on air. So Marconi invented radio in 1900. Okay, who invented radio? Marconi invented radio. So the first commercial on radio that has come out in the year 1921 in USA. Okay. Here in the image, you can see that WIF was the first station for commercial advertisements. जैसे इंडिया में दूरदर्शन है, आकाशवाणी. आकाशवाणी was the first radio station, isn't it? So आकाशवाणी है, दूरदर्शन है. इस तरीके से the first commercial station was WIF. And that has run first commercial of Queensboro Corporation in USA in 1921. So सोचो उस टाइम से ये ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीडिया चलता आ रहा है अभी तक. Radio advertisement has made the things more easy for the advertiser because at least people can listen to a commercial, because reading was not possible for each one of them, isn't it? So reading was not possible. So radio advertisement has made the advertisements more easy and to understand the audience, because that commercials which were running in the radio, that has some jingles, that has some music, and that was attracting the people to listen. Next broadcasting was television. After radio, we invented television. Television was invented by John L. Baird in the year 1962. Okay. So again, television advertisement has made the things much better than the radio. Why? Now we were able to visualize. है ना? रेडियो में क्या था? रेडियो में सिर्फ ऑडियो इफेक्ट्स थे. So people were only able to listen to the things and imagine the things. है ना? रेडियो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में क्या होता था? हम सिर्फ सुनते थे और इमेजिन करते थे. But television has made the things much better because here we were able to visualize the commercial. Okay. So the first commercial was appeared again in USA. The first commercial was again appeared in USA. And that was of Bulova watches. Okay, so two broadcasting media we were having in 90s. One was radio and another was television. Next is your other forms, that is internet. Another interesting media, internet, which we can say the digital platform. Nowadays, we are using this media as the main source for advertisement. Because this has made the things more easy. People nowadays, they don't have the time to read the newspaper. They don't have the time to sit before the television and watch all the commercials. So what we do is, we nowadays take the help of the internet. And with the help of internet, with the help of social media sites, we put all the advertisements and we see that the advertisements are reaching to the customers. Okay. So through internet, how can we advertise? We can advertise on the websites. We can make our own blogs and share to your social media sites, or we can take help of social networkings, mobile networkings. Okay. Again, internet has started from 90s. First, it was called as electronic yellow pages. It was called as electronic yellow pages because it is more or like a search engine, isn't it? Just like our telephone directory. First, telephone directory was the tool to search anyone, because in that directory, all the phone numbers, name, and addresses were there. So just like that, internet is working now.